So you say hi.
Hi.
You say hi, Tita Lily.
Hi, Tita Lily.
Welcome
Welcome
to
to
our
our
house tour.
house tour.
Okay. This is Andre. You tell her.
This is Emily.
And this is
Raisin.
Brazen or
Bonita, you can call me.
you can call her Bonita. Okay, so let's do a house. You tour with Tita. So let's start from the outside. Okay, come here.
You sure?
Yes, so this is the house. How many floors? 4
4.
floors. Yeah, that is the gate. Come, tour with me. This is the gate. And ang first floor ay dito. The first floor. We have a kitchen over here with some cabinets. Ayan. And then ito ang bongga. May CR tayo, may shower. Then we have the beautiful white room. Ang bed na bed ko dito, meron siyang, ayan, paakyat. Sige, let's see what's, there's the kama, maybe. And the best part of this tour, you show them, Emdre, you open the cabinet. There. You can open the, what can you place there? Shoes, right? Shoes. Okay. And we have, Bonita can hide over here. That is the closet. Ito ang bongga dito, yung kama nasa taas. Tapos, then we have the, yes. Oh, let's tour. Maraming cabinets, ganun, kung saan pwedeng i-store. And then, we have another room over here. First floor pa lang ito. Yan, you show them again. You can open. Yes, you can open the, yeah, even Emdre can hide over there. Yeah, it's dirty. You return it, you return. You help.
Oh my gosh, what? No, bag.
No, you have to place it carefully. Guys, July, will you help them? You have to lift it there. Yan. So, merong windows dito. That is a desktop, right? Yes, this is a desktop. Meron tayong drawer. Okay. So, yun ang maganda sa design na ito. Nakalagay yung marang problema kasi the closet is there. First floor ito. Then, yan, over here, we have another room.
Balcony.
The balcony. Yeah, Emder is showing me the balcony. This is the house tour of Manang Johnny's house, right? Yes, so over here, what can we see? There are lots of houses and lots of sun. Lots of sun. Clouds and sunflowers, of course, we have here. What happened to that? You accidentally broke it, Bonita? Your mother knew it? Not yet.
We're keeping it a secret.
You're keeping it a secret. Why?
Because I'm the one that know I broke this one.
And you're keeping it as a secret. Why? Will Mama be angry? Okay. So come, let's tour the second floor. So this is the first floor
There's another one.
with 2 rooms. Okay. And then dito rin sa first floor, we have another unit. Unit B. Ayun, ang Uncle Osi nag-i-enjoy sa massage chair.
Lukas niya ang anak ko eh. Ilang.
Si Pakto ilan na, Uncle?
Ilang manit isa, ilang kayo siguro.
Anita, turon mi amin. Tas si Pakman tauli. Enjoy mo muna. Well, turin nilang amin, uncle. And then we have another room over here. You turn the lights so that we can see there. Ay, kat na yung kwarto upay na. Upat din sinaupay, baba.
Bonita.
Bonita, you go and talk to Lolo.
You're speaking ng Kanawi.
Another room ulit. Na same lang. Yan ang masaya dito. Yung my favorite part, the stairs. Oro, plata, mata. Oro, plata. It's a nice one. May walk-in closet ulit. Hipa man tauli, uncle. Taypay Thailand, oh. Wada matlangsan. Lababo ud sinaupay. Mabalin. CR. CR? Oh, come on. Let's go upstairs. Show me the second floor.
The second floor is
Yeah, we're doing house tours. Then we return. Yeah, so as you can see, paakyat po kami sa second floor. So dito sa second floor, may glass chuchu. We have the first unit to enter. There's very cozy. Lots of. We have the kitchen over here. The CR. Yeah, the CR. What else can you show me? The bar counter. And there's a balcony over here again. There. Separate than the others. Okay, come.
the other hotel.
Let's go inside. Show what's inside. The second floor. Yes, as we can see, we have lots of sofa over here. Yan, a painting over there. And there is Langba. Say hi to our house tour. Oh no, she's sleeping. Let's not disturb your... Langba, say hi. Let's go. Now let's continue our house tour. You close it. She's sleepy. Let her sleep. Okay. The other room. Here is the other room. On the second floor.
And there's a cabinet.
And may cabinet tayo dito.
Mama can hide there.
Can I fit?
No.
Myself that I will fit this. You hold the camera. Come here. There. I can fit. Sa laki kong ito. Sorry for my double chin. And of course, we have the bar counter. My favorite part. It's the bar counter. Is that it? We don't have any room here?
No, there's more.
Where's more? You show us.
The other side.
The other side.
Right here.
Oh, this is the other room on the second floor. Say hi. Yes, there is one sofa, red sofa. What else can we find here?
Another.
My folding bed. And another door to the terrace. We can't open this. I think it's locked. Okay, over here may mga painting ang Manong Gerson. Yan. If you would like to order, just PM me. Then we have another room over here. That's it. We have lots of rooms. I love the curtain and the view outside. If you would like to go, as usual, we have the closet. Second floor pa lang po tayo. Hey, Emdre, how many room is in the second floor?
I can hide there.
Is it 2 or 3? 2? So this one is the first. Then this one, I think it's 3.
Yeah, probably 3.
It's 2. But we have another one there, right?
Yeah.
So 3. 3. Okay. So let's move on to the third floor. Hey, where is my room tours? You show us third floor. Oh, we're doing a house tour. So we have the third floor. Ay, nakakapagod umakyat. Yeah, you show us.
There's so much.
The other room. Let's face the other room first. Because there are lots of people there. Yes. This is the third floor. This is the room of master's bedroom. Right?
And there's a seer there.
Master's bedroom. Walk-in shoe closet in the CR. Okay. We have shower. May heater na rin.
And we have
I love the ceiling here. Yung design ng ceiling
the other bag.
na flower.
Oh,
Okay, so there are lots of closet. But I love the ceiling.
you love it.
Ganda ng lights. Yeah. So here is the walk-in closet, I think. Okay, let's move on.
Okay, let's move on to the next room.
Let's-
Look, it's the storage, diba? Diba it's the storage?
This one,
Storage
this is the storage room.
with pillows and pillows
And pillows everywhere.
and punches.
And you're punching it.
Punches.
Okay, what else?
And the last one is, and this is my room.
This is the room of
Mine.
Bonita. Wow. So you have closet over here.
Look at my room.
Where is your room?
Look at it's next to the light.
Oh, may painting ulit dito.
The light.
The ceiling.
If you are interested with the...
My bedroom is here.
Where's your bedroom?
Look, in the kitchen.
This is Bonita's room, right? Ang ganda rin ng ceiling niya. Come. Where is your room?
The room is next to the